Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about 15 surprising health mistakes even healthy people make. Even if you lead a healthy lifestyle, there are common mistakes that can undermine your efforts. Let's explore simple adjustments to enhance your well-being. 1. Not enough sleep. Lack of sleep can make you grumpy and unfocused. Long-term, it's linked to dementia, heart disease, and more. Adults need 7 to 9 hours nightly, kids and teens need more. Struggling with sleep, your doctor can help with lifestyle changes or treatments. 2. Not drinking water first. Thirst and hunger can feel similar. If you're peckish, try water first. Signs of dehydration include dry eyes, skin, or mouth, dark pee, or peeing less often. 3. Sitting too much. Sitting over 6 hours a day can increase health risks. Break it up with a 1 to 2 minute walk every half hour. Aim for at least an hour of physical activity daily. If mobility is an issue, consult your doctor for suitable activities. 4. Brushing too soon after eating. Wait an hour after meals before brushing to protect your enamel. Swish water or chew sugar-free gum instead, especially after acidic foods like citrus fruits or soda. 5. Using cotton swabs in your ear. Cotton swabs can push wax deeper and risk ear damage. Ears usually clean themselves. If excess wax is an issue, ask your doctor for safe removal tips. 6. Cleaning with peroxide or alcohol. Use mild soap and water for cuts instead of harsh antiseptics. Apply petroleum jelly to keep wounds moist and help them heal faster. Seek medical advice if bleeding doesn't stop. 7. Skipping sunscreen year-round. UV light can cause skin cancer year-round. Use SPF 30+ sunscreen every day, even if it's cloudy. Be careful around reflective surfaces like water or snow. 8. Avoiding vaccines. Vaccines protect not just you but others, too. They're vital for preventing the spread of diseases. Consult your doctor on which vaccines you and your family need. 9. Phone before bed. Phone's blue light delays sleep hormones. Try keeping your phone in another room and use a regular alarm clock instead. 10. Not checking for drug interactions. Medications can interact with food, supplements, or other drugs. Always check labels and consult your pharmacist to avoid complications. 11. Not cleaning your water bottle. Clean your reusable water bottle daily with soap and water to avoid germs. You can also sanitize it with a vinegar solution overnight. 12. Drinking diet soda. Diet sodas are low-calorie but have no health benefits. Limit yourself to one a day if you really want it, and opt for water or tea instead. 13. Ignoring your mental health. Stress can lead to physical health problems. Find healthy ways to relax, like exercising or meditating. Your doctor or a mental health professional can offer additional support. 14. Vaping. Not as harmful as smoking but isn't risk-free. It exposes you to nicotine and may be linked to lung disease. Seek help from your doctor to quit. 15. Not being honest with your doctor. Be truthful with your doctor about your habits. They're there to help, not judge, and can provide better care if they know the full picture. Small changes can make a big difference. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can boost your health and enjoy a more vibrant life. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.